In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about GoHighLevel so that you can make a decision to grow your business exponentially in 2024 and going forward. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a GoHighLevel funnel website design agency, and you are going to have a quality time learning directly from me what exactly is GoHighLevel, how literally it can help you. And not just that, I'm also going to take you inside my account and teach you everything step by step so that you can have a complete tutorial what exactly is GoHighLevel, what do you get inside it, and how do you use it. That's exactly what you're going to cover in this long video. Make sure that you watch till the end. In case you're busy, then make sure you save this YouTube link, because in that case you can watch it later on, because this is going to be very, very value packed for your business, right? Quick introduction about me. The reason why you should be learning everything about GoHighLevel from this YouTube channel is because I run a GoHighLevel funnel website design agency, which basically means that we work with GoHighLevel businesses and agencies literally across the world, from Australia to the US, and we have been helping them grow their business when it comes to funnels, landing pages, website automations, and all of that. And that's what we have been doing as an agency for the last 3 years, working with over 200 plus projects and over 100 plus clients, right? Serving 6, 7, 8-figure businesses. In case you want to know more about our done for you services, go to PritamBhadra.com. If not, in case you want to sign up, let's say you're very, very new to GoHighLevel and you want to sign up, then go to bonus.pritam.com. The link is in the description below, because if you are starting out, it's a must. You definitely want to check out this link, because this has bonuses for you worth $9,000. I'm not kidding, guys, worth $9,000, so that when you start with me as an affiliate, and that is going to help you not only get the account but also get all my bonuses that I've listed here. I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of what we are going to provide you. But before that, let's get started and let me explain you what exactly is GoHighLevel, right? But apart from that, I also want to teach you and help you learn one more thing, that I am also a GoHighLevel certified expert directly by the GoHighLevel team. So you can be rest assured that you are on the right hands here, because when I take up somebody as my affiliate, I make sure that they learn the best way possible and they get a kickstart compared to others where they're just providing you a link. Instead of that, you're going to get some personal attention so that you can kickstart your business, right? So let me quickly dive into what exactly is GoHighLevel and how this can help your business grow, right? So if you're a small medium business and you're looking for an entire marketing solution, not a single marketing tool, not an email marketing tool, not a website platform, not a funnel platform, not a calendar, right? You're looking for an entire buffet of marketing tools packed into one that syncs very well, and so that you don't have any kind of issues in order to operate that. You can have multiple teams operating together, and then you can manage your entire CRM inside your marketing system. That's exactly where HighLevel comes in. Not just that, in case you ever dreamed of having a SaaS business for yourself, where you want to take up let's say white label software, and then you want to stick your logo on top of it, and then you want to sell it for as many clients as you want. Literally, there is no limit as to how many SaaS accounts you can create with this, and literally sell it for whatever amount you want. It starts with the $97, as you know, as per the terms and conditions of that's exactly what you can start with, and then it goes up to whatever you want to charge. I have clients who charge from $97 for their sub account, white label sub account charges, to $5,000 every single month recurring. This is the recurring bonuses that comes in. This is the ultimate cash cow for you guys, in order for you to build a business that works on its own without you have to spend a lot of time into the business. That's exactly how GoHighLevel works, ladies and gentlemen, and that's what we're going to teach you here, right? So it's an all-in-one marketing tool, and if you come through via my link, you're going to get a 14-day free trial, because that's exactly what you get. Apart from that, you can choose whether you want to go for $97 a month, $297 a month, and $497 a month. You can pick these, and whatever you pick is going to take you to the respective page of that affiliate link. And when you sign up with this, I will be notified, and you are going to get worth $9,000 of bonuses. Let me quickly show you what kind of bonuses are these. So by the way, you can check here, right? We've worked with 100 plus 6, 7, 8-figure businesses using GoHighLevel. So we've done extensive work with GoHighLevel businesses across the world, and that's what exactly you get. You get a one-on-one exclusive consult from me that I normally charge for businesses, but you're gonna get this because I want you to have a kickstart. I'm gonna come in live with you, have a one-on-one chat with you. You can ask me questions. We can discuss on topics that you always wanted to have an expert for. Not just that, I'm also come in and I'm going to do a complete setup in your account, which basically means this is going to be a basic setup where we are going to take all of the necessary items and we're going to add that into your account so that you can later on modify and customize it as per your exact business needs, right? Apart from that, and you can actually see all of the other bonuses that we provide just going to bonus.pritam.com. That's exactly where you need to go. Apart from that, you're going to get some highly customized projects of ours that we have custom designed just for this purpose. So that you can get a kickstart, you can have these premium ones, because you're not going to get this for free anywhere. Literally, we have a lot of templates in GoHighLevel, but nothing comes close as to what we do as a business, because that's what we do best, right? So you're going to get lead generation funnels, multiple lead generation funnels, multiple top class website that we sell for thousands of dollars to our GoHighLevel agencies, and you can sell to your sub accounts again for thousands of dollars in case they have a requirement. On this, that we're also going to give you a lot of appointment booking automations that you can later customize as per your needs, along with database reactivation workflow with checklists, so that you can know what exactly to do with this huge thing, right? So much of value packed that you could never find with somebody else is available in case you proceed to work with me, right? You also get the exclusive opportunity to stay in touch with me over email communication. So that means that whenever you have any kind of doubts and queries, you can always reach out to me via email, and I can always respond back to you with the solution, or if there is a help document resource available there, so I can redirect to you so that can save your time and make your business much more efficient. How's that sound? Right? Because we always support our affiliates, we always support the people who trust us. And by the way, just in case you didn't know, this is the first thing that you go to when you learn about our landing page, is that we deliver what we promise, and that's our USP. That's all what we have been doing for the last 3 years, right? So this is about the affiliate link. Make sure that if you haven't signed up with, make sure you go through it, you learn through it, and when you get it, you're going to get my scheduling call and all the resources, right? So let me quickly again get back to the high level page, right? Because by the way, in case you didn't know about this, GoHighLevel has more than 60,000 customers. I think this data is flawed, because GoHighLevel has much more than this. Or does that, they also help more than 1.4 million businesses, more than 1.4 million marketers and marketing agencies, businesses who are using GoHighLevel for their business at this point of time. It's a huge field, an opportunity for every business who are looking to explore further and know more about how they can grow their business. Is exactly what they should sign up with, at least, so that you can learn about it, right? You don't have to go for the 497 plan. You can either go for the 97 plan if you want to do it for yourself, or you can go for the 297 plan in case if you want to do it as a white label SaaS, right? It's spectacularly low price as to how it used to take millions of dollars to make such kind of software in-house, but now you can literally pay $497 a month and have the entire tech stack that GoHighLevel has, which is given to you for absolutely minimal price, which is crazy. Not just that, they have also generated more than 622 million leads and 14.7 billion conversations. In case you're wondering how that happens, what is the work process look like, how do they do all of the setup and all of that, I'm going to show you in this video. So don't worry about that. Make sure that you just watch the video till the end. Right? Apart from that, GoHighLevel has the entire marketing system which can help you capture the leads, nurture the leads, and convert the leads in order to bring business for your own businesses. Businesses literally with several hundred niches are using GoHighLevel in their business, whether they're online marketer, whether they're a pest control agency, whether they are roofers, whether they are into real estate, whether they are into medical profession, you name it, people are using it for their own business, right? Apart from that, they also have lead capture sequences, funnels, website, landing pages, conversations, SMS, calls, automated booking systems, AI being integrated. They have course management system. You can sell your courses, membership. You can also get calendars, appointments, bookings. Like, you can literally grow your business by leaps and bounds in case you're serious about doing it. If you're a small business, you haven't figured out how to get started, if you're confused with 10 other softwares paying tens of thousands of dollars just to have a software like that, you should ditch them, because you should be using GoHighLevel, and with our affiliate link to get those $9,000 of bonuses being mentioned here. Bonus.pritam.com is your option for you to check that, right? So I mean, you can check the link actually. So whenever you go to bonus.pritam.com, you will be able to present it with these kind of options. If you're an already existing Go High Level user and you still want to upgrade and use our bonuses, then you can just use these ones in order for you to upgrade accordingly, right? I actually have a video on that, and in case you want to get more information, this video in here, which is playing, is an absolute detailed description of how you can use the Go High Level affiliate platform of mine. Right. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and let me showcase you what exactly GoHighLevel is changing. It literally changes your CRM, pipeline management tools, unlimited sales funnels, unlimited websites, unlimited forms and surveys, top-notch marketing services and automation with conditional logic, right? Two-way SMS marketing, appointment, top-notch multi-purpose appointment booking calendars, workflow automation of the highest standard possible. Course is that completely replaces Kajabi, Teachable, and all of that. Call tracking system, reputation management, tracking, top-notch tracking and analytics features, which I'm going to show you, right? Communities that replaces old school and all of that, and gets your own white label community, which you can also change the colors and branding and all of that. It also gives you document signing so that all the contracts that you're signing in, you don't have to use a third party system. You can use it and build it inside of Go High Level. Crazy, right? In case you want to have a gray label white app, you can also get that. In case you want to also get a white label app, desktop app, you can also get that possible. This is crazy of what you get for $297 a month. I am absolutely speechless, and I believe so are you, because Go High Level, because of this, actually, Go High Level has won so many awards that actually gets bonkers, right? You can see there, it's a Winter 2024 award, it's Momentum Leader Award, it's the America's Leader Award, it's Small Business Leader Award. It gets shortlisted Capterra. It also the top 20 fastest growing software companies in the US in 2024 Q1. Right, and they have this pricing strategy where they want to go for $97 to $97. So $97 is only suitable for those people who want to do it for themselves. So, for example, I have a Go High Level service-based agency. So we take on Go High Level businesses. We help them grow by building their marketing funnel systems, website automations. That is what we do as a service. So our target audience is Go High Level, businesses who are using Go High Level, and that's how we work with 6, 7, and 8-figure businesses who are using Go High Level. But in case you want to run your own SaaS platform inside Go High Level, then you must go for 297 at least. You can also go for the 497 plan. You won't find it here, but you will actually find it inside my bonus page. So if you go to the 497 plan, you can also get a 14-day free trial on 497. This is crazy. You won't get it on the entire landing page here. It's not available there. But if you go to my link, you'll be able to find that exclusive 497 plan, and it's with the Go High Level, uh, you know, itself officially, and it's 14-day free trial, which is crazy. Like, my God, right? And you get so many things. You get to automate the entire sub account creation process. You also get AI conversation bot. Not just that, you also can add a markup to the rebuilding that happens inside your Go High Level sub accounts, which is your clients sub accounts, right? So this is bonkers as to what Go High Level provide for such an amazing price, right? So while I was going to, so since I'm Go High Level officially certified, it's actually been through a lot of the internal team as well. I've talked to the internal team, and what I see that Go High Level is growing by leaps and bounds every single day. There is a new release that comes in on a daily basis. At least there is a one release a day that happens every single day, which is crazy. It's very hard to cope up with, but that's also a good sign because you don't have to pay anything extra to anyone in case you're using this all-in-one marketing solution called Go High Level. And Go High Level certified directly from the Go High Level, which is crazy, right? But anyways, and so that's the opportunity you get, because when you work with us, you get to work with somebody who is a funnel master himself, who's a trainer and an online marketing strategist for over 6 years. Not just that, I work with businesses globally and is officially certified by the High Level team, because I have been working with High Level for the last 3 years, which is crazy, right? But by the way, let's dive deep into the Go High Level CRM solution, and let me help you understand how this looks. How can you do things inside your account? The moment you sign up, whether you want to sign up with the 497 plan or you want to sign up, let's say, with the, okay, let me scroll down with the 297 plan, right? So whichever 297 or 97, whichever plan that you want to sign up with, you're going to fill in your details. You're going to go to the step 2, you're going to put in your credit card details, and then your free trial will start. The moment your free trial start, we will be notified, and then we'll send you the email with the booking link so you can schedule a call. I'll come on the call with you. I'm going to help you answer all your questions. I'm also do the basic setup and share all the bonuses which I promised on my landing page. We'll deliver what we promised, and that's our USP, guys, right? But anyways, yes, that's pretty much how you do it. And I'm actually looking for only those people who are serious about growing their business and actually looking to use GoHighLevel for the long term, because these bonuses that you're going to get if you stop using the account, if your account gets paused, then you'll not be able to use those resources. So I want to give it to those people who are serious, genuine, and want to grow their business and looking for the right affiliate partner to get started with, right? So here, let's get into the account dashboard, and let me show it to you what it looks like from inside, right? So this is what the dashboard looks like, right? It's literally from it's the agency view. So let me explain you what exactly are agency view and sub account. So when I click here, you will be able to see there are multiple accounts. These are, as you can see, it's written here all accounts. Can you see that? It's written all accounts. So this is what we call as sub accounts. So these are all sub accounts, and this what you see here, as you can see, it's called as agency dashboard. This is the agency view, which means this is where you control the entire system of GoHighLevel. Anything that is within you, for let's say you have 10 clients, you have 20 clients, you have 30 clients. So all of these clients will have their own sub accounts, and you can create these sub accounts for them, and you can charge them on a monthly basis. So while they're using your system to build their businesses, you're going to get paid a monthly basis and don't have to give a penny to GoHighLevel if you're using the GoHighLevel SaaS platform, right? So this is the agency dashboard. You have a prospecting system. The prospecting system tells you more about the businesses available nearby, and then you can get started with that, right? Apart from that, you also have the sub account option. Here you can create multiple sub accounts for yourself. I already have 3 created. This is actually for the 97 plan. Let me just showcase that to you. This is for the 97 plan, but you can create 3 sub accounts. But I'll highly recommend that you go for the most value for money plan in case you're running to go for SaaS plans. So value for money, the best choice is going to be the 297 per month plan. Right? It literally has everything that you have in the starter. It has unique API access to integrate with literally anything in the entire world, which has API access. It has unlimited sub accounts, which is the major USP here. Right? So unlimited sub accounts, which basically means that you can literally have 1,000 people, right? And then you can charge them $497 a month, right? That is going to make it 400,000 or almost $500,000 every single month, in case you can have this many clients under your belt. It's all about how do you take the software and then how do you market it to sell it to your audience, which is absolutely bonkers, right? And then you have account snapshot. You can have multiple snapshot. I'm going to give you one snapshot of mine. So this is the PV Digital snapshot, which you're going to get worth $9,000. We're also going to show you that you can also resell the softwares depending on your requirements. You have your marketplace here, and you also have your client affiliate portal. In case you want to do affiliate marketing with that, you can actually do that for here as well. As you can see, GoHighLevel charges almost $1,000 for advanced account setup, right? But we actually charge literally zero for a basic account setup, and getting this from us is going to be very valuable for you, because we're actually using it for other businesses, so we know how this works. Apart from that, we also have the affiliate portal, right, where you can do your affiliate marketing in case you want to, right? Apart from that, we also have the template library, that in case you want to go for any kind of GoHighLevel templates, you can actually use that, but it actually comes at the 497 plan and higher, right? So this is crazy, and I highly recommend, in case you want to go for more customization, please go for this 497 plan, and you'll find the link on my page itself. If you are already at 97 or $297 and you're going to upgrade to the 497 plan, then you might as well do it from here, because you're going to get all the bonuses which I just mentioned here, which is worth $10,000, which is absolutely crazy, guys, right? So yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Let me go back and show it to you. Okay. So back to the affiliate portal, we have the university. You'll have a lot of courses. In case any course that is being added here, you will find all the courses being mentioned here, right? As you can see, I only have two courses available here by the GoHighLevel team, so you'll find that as well. SaaS education ideas. You also have a white label mobile app, or sorry, a gray label mobile app, which you can use for your own business. So that's something that's available and being provided by GoHighLevel for absolutely free, just because you're using their GoHighLevel system. It's crazy of how much you can do here. And you also have a app marketplace. Apart from that, you can see at the bottom it talks about settings. So you can go to the settings. This is exactly where you manage everything. So you'll have my profile here. So any user that gets created will have their own profile here. And that's pretty interesting. You'll have your company details here. You can have your team here. I won't really literally go into that because there are multiple things going on in there. Since it's a live account, then you have your billing dashboard. Here you will be able to see how much on which plan you are currently and how can you go further. You can have your own phone integrations. You can have your own email services providings. You can have your LC system being triggered. You can have your conversational AI being provided here. You can have your affiliate details here. Custom menu links. You can connect your Stripe account here. Right? You can have API access here. You have compliance. You have so many things. God, oh my God, you have so many things, right? But this is just the overview of the dashboard. Let me go into the sub account and let me show it to you literally from scratch. Let me go to my test account so that I can show it to you from scratch and you will have a better idea about this. So this is what we call as sub accounts, because when you click on this, you will see this option called as switch to agency view. So when you see this option of switch to agency view, which basically means that you've already entered the sub account and the name of the sub account, for example, GHL test account, will be shown here. That's exactly how it works, right? So currently I have 3 sub accounts under me, and now I'm going to show you everything step by step for the entire dashboard. All right, guys, so we are in the sub account section here. We're going to review the entire sub account because this is where the action happens. Okay, this is where you're going to set up your own sub account. You can set up your client sub account. This is where all the marketing action happens. This is where you should be focusing on. First thing is the launchpad. Not very important, but this is, you can quickly add things up here, but I won't recommend that because I'm going to show you exactly how to add it in the right way possible. Then you have your dashboard. This is exactly where you see all the opportunities, all the pipelines and everything. This is where you will have all the details being presented to you in a visually appealing format, right? Then we have conversations. Conversations is a place where you have all the contact lists and you're getting all the SMS and all the emails, all of that. As you can see, we have some automation being worked on, right? This is more about the meeting book automation. So we have the automations going on, and we can see what exactly are these automations all about. As you can see, this is some kind of email link that we are being presenting to people. So all of that just works here, right? So we all have chats and all of that just works here, right? Which is great. All right. As you can see here, this is AI automation being working like seamless, which is crazy. Right. Apart from that, we have calendars here. Calendars is a place where you can see all your current booked meetings and all of that. If you want to check about what are the automations, appointments you currently have for the day, you can actually click on appointments here, and this is going to give you all the list of the appointments which is currently being scheduled in your account, which is crazy. And this is where you will find all the details, right? So as you can see, this is a confirmed appointment. In case somebody doesn't show up, you can click as no show. And if you have kind of automations that is for no show, that is going to get triggered and all of this will happen, right? Apart from that, if you go to calendar settings, which is actually in the settings section, this is where you can create, manage multiple calendars, change things around. A lot of things can happen here, right? But we will go to settings part later on, but let me just quickly showcase to you what exactly is available on top of it, right? So that's pretty much about here. You can also create new appointments in case you want to. So in case you can manually create appointments, you can add which calendar you want to, you can choose, let's say test service calendar. You can add an appointment title. So let's say meeting with Stephen, right? You can select the team members. Let's say I can select myself. You can select the timing, the time zone and all of that, right? You can select the date. If you have some slots available, you can select the slots, right? You can use a calendar default meeting location, which is going to be the default setting being added in your calendar, or you can customize it. When you customize it, you can ask whether you want to have a Zoom, you want to have a Google Meet and a phone, or you want to physically visit. So it's going to be a full address, right? So all of that you can do it. Once everything is done, you can click on book appointment and that's going to get you confirmed, right? Now we have contacts. Contact is a very important place where you can see all your contacts, all your leads. I mean, anybody and everybody who joined in, who is a part of your system now, and he wants to improve, they can actually do it from here. That's crazy, and that's what you should be doing here. Just to give you some example as to how can you see more about this, you can click on the plus option here. You can create multiple contacts here. So you can add a photo of that contact, you can add the first name, last name, you can add an email address, you can add a phone number if you want. You can also select whether it's a lead, a customer, right? You can choose which time zone. It literally has all the time zones. Then you can also choose whether you want to have them D&D, all of that, and then you can finally save it. And you can also filter these calendars here. So let's say in case you have some details, so let's say I want to select this ones and this one and this one, and then I can click here, and this is going to help me to filter out the entire pipeline based on what you want, right? Which pipeline do you want it to filter, which stage you want it to filter. So let's say I choose Dr. Bob pipeline, then I can choose a hot lead, I can opportunity name, source, lead value, I can choose and all of that, and I can update opportunity, and that's going to give me all the list of that detail. You can also choose to select these contacts and then add send email, right? You can also choose to select this contact and send SMS if you have your SMS thing going on. We can also tag these people if you want to externally tag people. You can also remove this tag. You want to remove this tag. You want to delete them. You can delete them. You can mark as send review request. That is going to send you the automated review, also called as a review, the reputation management. And you can export this, right? Or you can import contact in case you have external CSV files. You can actually import them right here. Apart from that, you can also click on edit companies and you can merge contacts up to 10 contacts here. And you can also add more filters here in case if you want to, which is crazy. There's so many options, a lot of customizations that you can do from the filters here, right? Apart from that, I'm quickly going to show you when you click on a contact here. So when we click on a contact here, we actually see details of them being opted in. So from exactly that they from where exactly that they opted in, what they're doing. So all of that we can see here. Let me just give some time for this thing to load. So I just got this contact loaded. It's a dummy contact, but as you can see here, it shows the name, it shows the email. It has all the options. In case somebody fills up those options, it's going to come up here, right? It also showcases all these details here at the left hand side from where they came. Not just that, if you see on the top right hand side here, they will show you that it came from this kind of a form. So this form was being submitted. I will show it to you which form was that. So this form was submitted. Because of this, the form was submitted and a contact was created. And you can also interact with the contact here by sending them emails, SMS, and all that is possible, right? And you also find them in the conversational tab when the conversation is going on. You can also do bulk action, so you can select a lot of these tasks and then you can do bulk action. So let's say I select a bunch of these here, and then I can do a bulk option if I want to, and then based on that I can get started. I can also restore if there is any kind of a deletion happens, so restore is possible. You can also add tasks here. So as you can see, these were deleted earlier. So in case you want to have any kind of task being set up for these kind of contacts, you can add tasks to them as well. So you can create a new task here altogether and you can assign it properly. Apart from that, you have company, so that they can sort out based on the company, because a lot of employees can be a part of the company. So the company might be one, but a lot of employees will be part of the same company. You can also manage the smart list here, which is again a great option, but it is being available here, right? So that's pretty much about contacts. Let's go ahead and learn about opportunities and pipelines. Super important, right? Super new, right? Something that you should learn about, which is crazy, right? A pipeline is a structured method for you to understand what exactly or where exactly in my funnel the particular contact or customer is, right? So for example, as you can see here, I'm just checking the Dr. Bob pipeline, and here I have, let's say, 1, 2, 3, and 4 stages, right? So 4 stages. The first stage is all about a new lead. So anybody who signs up gets added here. So you will have a contact card, and this will be shown as a new lead. And then if somebody responds to it, they will get transferred to hot lead. And if somebody books a call with you, they get transferred to the book call lead. And if somebody doesn't come on the call, you can then transfer it to no show nurture. All of this transferring can have its own automated process in case you have built all your automations accordingly. You can also create pipelines here. So when you click on the pipelines here you can actually create multiple pipelines. So as you can see, there are multiple pipelines already being existed, right? Let's go ahead and move forward with the payments. Very interesting, because GoHighLevel introduced a lot of new things in payments. So here you can create invoices, which is pretty easy. You can send invoice. You can create a template out of it. You can also go for all documents and contact plus templates. You can check on the orders, right? Which all orders you currently have, what are the abandoned checkouts. All of that is possible. In case you have any kind of subscriptions going on, all subscriptions is here available here. In case you have some payment links, you can get those payment links right here. All the transactions will be available in here. So if you have any kind of transactions available, in case you have created any kind of products, so all your products will be available here, just as you can see here. And you can also create coupons for this product in order, if you want to give some discount, right, for any specific product, you can also do that. And then you have settings here, right, which you can manage a lot of it, which is crazy good, right? So all of this is actually possible. Receipts, taxes, notification, shipping and delivery, all of that is possible, which is crazy. Apart from that, we also have integrations, right? So it has GoHighLevel has Stripe integrations, PayPal integrations, authorized.net integrations, NMI integrations, and it has one more recently added called as Razorpay integrations for India, which is crazy good, right? Thanks GoHighLevel for adding it. Did a great job, right? Okay, apart from that, let's go ahead and learn more about the system. Here we're going to learn about marketing. What exactly we have in marketing? It literally replaces a lot of amazing tools, right? I think you're aware already of the social planner tools which have been currently available for $10, $20, $50 a month, right? And they let you schedule social media posts in advance on a particular date and a time. So you can connect it to your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, GMB, LinkedIn, X or Twitter, TikTok, and all of that. Or you can do it in-house within GoHighLevel without having to go for a subscription plan externally. Mind-boggling, right? Apart from that, you also have email campaigns and templates. So you can create some email templates here, which you can use here as well as in your automations as well, which is pretty amazing. I'm just going to show you one of the email templates that we're just using it as a template. So just see, this is one of the email real estate property template that you will find here. You can also change it based on your requirements. So yeah, but you can save it. Once you save it as a template, then you can use it anywhere you want. You can create your own campaigns here, right? So you can select, for example, as you can see, there are multiple campaigns being held out, which is again in draft section, but you can create here, you can create multiple campaigns for your own business, right? Apart from that, you can also choose a template by creating a template, so that's also a possibility. You can also check the template snippets here, that is also available. You can check your trigger links and analyze. You can also get your affiliate manager. The affiliate manager is a one-stop solution in case you are looking to promote your product or service in affiliate method way. What does an affiliate method means? So for example, if you have a product, let's say of $997, and those $997 you want to promote it with an affiliate, and let's say the affiliate get 20% commission every single time somebody makes a purchase with that link. So what that means is, whenever somebody makes a purchase of $999, $200 will go straight to the affiliate, and then $800 will be in your system. So all of that tracking and management is being held here. You also get the option to download it as a CSV file. The CSV file, you can upload it to your payment processor and then ship out all the payments to your own affiliate, which is amazing. Apart from that, you can also check the automation here. In the GoHighLevel automation, you will have or you can build actually a top-notch exclusively top-level automation. You can click on create workflow. You can let's say you start from scratch. I'm going to give you a live demonstration here, by the way. So this is the GoHighLevel automation or workflow system that opens up. It's pretty advanced and top-notch. The UI was refreshed a few months ago, and we love this. Right, so you have your builder, you have your settings, you have your enrollment history, and you also have your execution logs. So when you go to your builder, you can actually set a trigger and then the following actions. So a trigger can be anything. So let's say a trigger can be a form being submitted. So I can type here form. So it can select here the form submitted, and then I add a filter. By adding a filter, you're basically letting the GoHighLevel system know that which form you're actually using. Okay, so let's say the form is Here, let's say I want to have the marketing agency form, right? And I can also go ahead and add more details, but I definitely don't want to at this point of time. So let's say I have this form selected. So I will save this trigger. Now what's going to happen is anybody that comes up through that form, this trigger is going to get activated, and then the subsequent action which is going to be there is going to take place. So you can add a contact here, right? Contact tag. So let's say, for example, you want to add as form lead, right? And you can save that tag, which basically means anybody who comes to that agency appointment, agency form, they are going to get this tag called, the tag is called as form lead. You can then create a wait step in case you want to wait for something. So let's say I want to send an email here. So I want to send an email here. This email, you can add your email name, you can add a form name. So actually, you can also use these custom values in order to add. So let's say user full name, I can add a full name here. Here I can also add an email. So user email ID. So I can add an email ID here, custom values. So you can also do it a lot things with custom values, right? Which is crazy, crazy good. And then let's say you can, if you want to test it, you can add your dummy email and you can test send it. That also works. I'll just save it for now. And let's say then I want to wait for a day for my next email or SMS to go through. So I'll just click on wait here, right? And once I'm waiting here, then I can use whether it's a time delay, whether it's an event appointment or it's an overdue. So this is going to be a time delay, let's say of 1 day. So I want to add that at 1. You can also customize as to when exactly is the window for this email to go out. You can choose a particular day, a particular time. So that's pretty advanced, right? So for example, the window here is, or I can say exactly I want to resume it at you know at what time? Let's say I want to resume at 11 a.m. So every single time at 11 a.m. this email is going to go through. Filter can be current day of the month, current year. So let's say current day of the month, and this can be is current day of the month can be, let's say, on 7th, right? So every 7th of a particular month or every single month at 11 a.m., this email is going to go out, which is crazy. Now, then I can add an SMS if I want. So I can send an SMS here. Then you can add your SMS template. You can choose a template if you want, or you can add an SMS here. You can also test it by adding files here, or you can add a phone number here and you can test send your SMS, right? And you can also do a lot of things. Let's say if you want to have conditions, like, so you can use if else conditions. This condition is going to select that, for example, if the daytime is the current day of the week um, is Tuesday, then allow it. If not, the okay, right, and an or. So that's also an and or option that being available. But we don't want it. We want is current day of the week is daytime. Current day of the week is not Tuesday, right? So we can save that, and that's going to branch things out for us, and it's going to give us options to how to proceed with it. So let's say this is all about it's the Tuesday. Then you can create and you can give them a note, a call. I mean, you can do 10 different things here. If it is not Tuesday, then you can do 10 different things here, right? And make sure that you always publish this, right? Because that's exactly where this actually gets automated or gets live, basically, right? But I won't publish this for now because this was just for the review purposes or this tutorial purpose, so we won't be adding it. But that's how we do it, right? So once that is done, this is how the automation works. You can create folders with it if you want to manage it better, which I always recommend. Then you can create folders with it. You can also go to sites, which is my favorite part because that's what we specialize in. We create automated funnels and sites for our clients. Here you can see a lot of funnels, guys. Right. So the thing that you need to do here is you can click on new funnels. When you click here, you can actually custom build one, or you can choose a template. So I want to show you by choosing a template. You can start from blank the way we do. That's how we have been building these kind of top-notch funnels and websites for our clients, which is crazy. You won't ever find them as a template anywhere in the world. You have to custom build them. But yeah, but for, let's say, for this sake, I want to use a basic template. I want to continue here, and then let's say I want to choose. Let me just make sure that the size is perfect. Sorry about that. Okay, cool. So let's say I want to choose this particular I don't know which one to choose. Okay, let's say I want to go for healthy drinks, nutrition and all of that, right? And then it's going to show me a preview of how it's going to look like, and then I'm going to click on continue. When I click on continue, it's going to add a template into my account, and this template is going to be there. I can use this template to customize it. I can add a domain to it, and there's a lot of things that you can possibly do, which is crazy. Let me just show it to you how it adds template and how can you customize it further, right? Because adding a template is going to take some time because it adds a complete template actually for you. So we are currently at the third stage already, so it's going to add the fourth page as well. Okay, so we actually have that funnel already here. Let me showcase that to you. As you can see here, this nutritionist is the funnel here, which we downloaded, or we actually basically just added here, not really downloaded. But anyways, it's actually available here. The preview you can see here, you can click on to view the page. Is how the page looks like. In case you want to do some customization, that you can do it. By the way, we have a lot of videos on our channel where I teach about custom designing funnels, website landing pages, automations, and all of that. In case you haven't checked out, make sure you check it out because you're basically learning from somebody who implements it on a daily basis for their clients. So you definitely want to learn from an expert. But either ways, you're going to give you a walkthrough or a small video about how it works. So this is the page loader. This is where the funnel builder or the website builder. This is where you can make a lot of changes. So you can add elements from here. You can add section, rows, elements, global sections, section templates, buttons, social media icons, images, progress bars, and whatnot. You can also actually check which all pages do you have or what is the layers here. So you have a page here, you have multiple sections here. You also have a pop-up. This pop-up comes in, so all of that is available. You can also check how many pages you got in this funnel. So you currently have 2 pages, which is the lead magnet and the thank you or the congratulation page. You can add a tracking code. A lot of businesses actually ask me, how can I add a tracking code? I can't see it. That's exactly the option is. So you can add a head tracking code, you can add a footer tracking code, and then you can save it. In case you want to customize the CSS, you want to make some external CSS, which we do a lot, and actually have a video sequence on that. In case you haven't checked that, make sure you do. You can add CSS here, and that's going to work out as well. Apart from that, we also have typography, which basically means the headline and the content font is there, which you can preset so that you don't have to change it every single time. Apart from that, we also have the background in case you want to add a background image to it, a background color to it. All of that is possible at this level. Apart from that, we also have this pop-up. You can add a few things here in the pop-up. So let's say you do not have a form. Let's say I want to add a form here. It adds up the form. Amazing. So it adds up the form here, right? So you also have SEO, right? So SEO basically gives you all the option to add the SEO preview, SEO content, description. It also adds you the keyword, the author, the socials, the links, the language, all of that, which is crazy, right? So that's amazing actually. But anyways, so when we proceed forward, we also have this option of preview custom codes. Let's say you have the custom codes on a preview it inside the builder itself. You can do that here. You can also add cookie consent if you want to. You can enable cookie consent. So it's going to give you the cookie consent like this. I've read understood above the details. That's done there. So this is how the cookie consent is going to come up, and then you have the multiple options in there. That's possible. And then you have this one as well, which is a 2-column mode, auto column mode. So I don't need it anyway now. But then you also have the mobile, which is super important, right? A lot of businesses don't know about this, but 90% of the traffic, or 80 to 90% of the traffic, depending on the industry, is coming from mobile, right? And you have to make sure that your websites, your landing pages, or funnels, or whatever you're designing here, should always be 100% mobile optimized. In case they are not, then you probably are doing something wrong, right? Okay, so that's pretty much how it works here. What else do I need to show it to you? You can also change pages here from here. So I also go to thank you page here. So that's pretty much possible. But I want to show you a few things, more things here. On the right side here, you'll be able to see the builder, right? Which is going to show you. So let's say I want to select this top section here. So it's going to sections. It's going to add me margins. So I want to add margins here, which is pretty amazing actually. It also have some diet options, which is crazy good. Apart from that, I can also add paddings here. So I can add a padding, I can increase it, decrease it. All of that is possible here. I can also change the background color if I want. If I want to make it orange, I can make it orange, right? Because those look good. You can also make it yellow like a banana. I can also make it green like a smoothie. back to what it was, right? You can also add box shadows here. I can also want sticky options here, so you can stick the top or the bottom. That's also a possibility. For example, if you stick it on the top, then when you scroll down, you will be able to it's going to be sticking on the top. It's not going to come down, because a lot of websites that you must have seen will have that banners on the top, which kind of sticks on the top even when you scroll down. So that's something you will be able to find, right? So that's an option here. Like stick on the scroll, that is stick on the top of the scroll, that's being taken care of. And then you also have the background images, so you want to add as images, that's also a possibility here. And then you also have the advanced section where you add advanced things here. So now borders, right? You can also make it full width, mid width, small, I mean 10 different things available. So that's pretty much how it works, ladies and gentlemen. You can also make it visible on desktop and non-visible. You can also make it visible or vanish it from your mobile. You can also add custom class in here, and this is where exactly you get the CSS selector, right? Apart from that, you can also go to your next page here just directly from it. So let's proceed here, and this is going to show me the next page, which is the thank you page here. So instead of going back and switching back all of that, you can just do everything right from here. So this is a great part about the website builder, or also called as the funnel builder, right? So that's pretty much about this. You can also check the stats. By the way, I can show you some analytics here. Okay, let me just showcase you the funnel, and then let me showcase you the analytics. Okay, so let's just go back to the funnel here. Let's get back to the funnel here. Okay, this is the stat. This is the particular funnel stat. In case you want to see every single funnel stat right here, that's also a possibility. In case you want to see how many sales it has produced, in case you have a product created, sales page added, and people are purchasing it, you can see here. You also have the security options here in case if you want to have it. And then you also can create events here in case if you want to have it. So pixel ID, all of that tracking, beautiful things can be done here. And this settings part, which is very important here, you can add a domain if you want to have a bunch of domains here. You can add your path here. So let's say I want to have nutrition bonus, right? Because I'm actually adding a lot of new bonuses, so I'm just adding nutrition bonus. You can add a favicon here. You can add a head tracking code, body tracking code, and when you add a head tracking code and the body tracking code here, it actually gets applied to all the pages entire funnel, right? And the one thing that I showed you before that actually is applied to the particular landing page. So based on the requirements, you can do it. You can make the payment live. You can make it just on a test mode. You can make image optimization enabled or disabled. You can make sure JavaScript is optimized or not. Chat widget, GDPR compliant fonts, all of that is there. So all the sweet things are here. So do not worry about what exactly is covered. GoHighLevel Funnels is really top notch and is getting beyond what others are doing in the industry. Apart from that, you also have websites, which basically means that you can create multiple websites in here. I already have a lot of websites for our clients, so you can create that. We are now also have analytics, which is amazing, right? So what you can do here is you can, let's say, select a particular funnel, which for me, this is the funnel I'm showing it to you, right? Which is the bonus funnel. And here, as you can see, great data and stats being pulled out from the funnel itself. You can choose the particular day and a time. Sorry, not time, actually date. So let's say I want to go for the last 7 days. This is how the data looks like. Pretty amazing, pretty cool. You also have advanced blogging systems now currently available inside GoHighLevel. So you can create multiple blogs. You can create the entire blogging system inside GoHighLevel. So a lot of that is also available. You can also connect your WordPress in case if you want to, but I won't recommend that, because why would you like to connect your WordPress when you can do everything inside GoHighLevel, right? And for that, you also need to activate a plan. So I don't think that's necessary anyway. We also have client portal and dashboard. By the way, if you don't know, GoHighLevel has communities options. The communities options also brings out the client portal. Client portal is the one-stop solution for anyone and everyone to check their client portal. The client portal will have courses, will have communities, will have the affiliate program. All of that is actually included inside the client portal. So this is going to be very, very massive and going to be very, very useful for your clients, your businesses, and for everybody who is going to want to replace school affiliate systems, course, and all of that, and I want to keep all of those into a one place platform. And there you have your form builder, right? This is where you want to exactly create forms and systems. So I can actually showcase that to you. So when you click on here, you can click on start from scratch, or you can also choose a template if you want, but then it's going to give you the form builder. In this form builder, you can create forms, and these forms are going to be very beneficial in terms of collecting data. They also have advanced conditional logic in these forms. So a lot of you do not know about conditional logics. I have a video on that, so make sure you check that out. Here you can create forms. Here you have the option to add elements. I'm not going to go too much into the detail because I already have very detailed, top-notch, expert level tutorials on my channel. So in case you want to learn further, make sure you go ahead and learn them as well. You can also create custom fields here. So let's say you don't find any option that you actually wanted for your business, then you can create a custom field for you for yourself and add it. So anybody who fills up those custom fields of data can be grabbed by the system. You can also change details here. For example, you can change the styling. You can choose a theme here. So let's say I want to choose a particular theme. Which one should I choose? Let's say I like this one, so I want to choose this theme. Or you can also custom build it. I have a lot of custom build forms being built. That's something you can do. Here you can integrate, you can preview. So let me just showcase you the preview option. So it's going to save the form first, and then it's going to take it to preview it. This is exactly how the preview looks like. Apart from that, you can also integrate it externally. So let's say you have a WordPress website, you have a Duda website, you have a Wix website, and I want to take this code here. So you're going to take the embed code here and literally copy it somewhere in the HTML code or the website editor. You can also create a link out of it. So whenever you go, you paste that link, the form is going to pop up, which is amazing and crazy at the same time. You can also make customizations as to you can make it a pop-up, you can make it polite side in, you can make it sticky sidebar. All of those options are currently available. You can also customize it further, always on scroll. Scroll after a few seconds. So let's say after 7 seconds. All right. You can also activate multiple option. Activate on X, Y, and Z visit. Activate on the third visit. Always activate. Deactivate option. Deactivate after showing it 6 times. Deactivate once the lead is connected. Never deactivate. All of those options are being currently available, so you can explore further and reach out more about this. You don't have to really buy any other form solutions, because you get to have so many things inside here as well. And then you have the survey builder. Again, this is very interesting, because if you have a long details, if you have a lot of details, so let's say you have 10, 20, 30, 40 details that you want to collect, it's very boring for somebody to to fill up the details over a form which is very long. Rather, you want to have multiple slides being generated. So I'm just going to show you a few of these. Let me see if I can. If it's possible, I'll definitely do that for you. So I can show you some of my surveys in there, right? For example, this is a good survey. So let's say you can collect your full name, your email, and your dependents on the first slide, and then you can collect the yearly revenue and all of that. And even based on that, you can qualify people. So I mean, a lot of amazing things are coming in here. So make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and go ahead with my affiliate link. The link is actually in the bonus section here. So when you click on the bonus section to go with bonus.pritam.com, you will have all the bonuses being linked here. $97 a month, point free trial, all of that. It actually takes you to the GoHighLevel page for you to sign up, right? Okay, so we have covered everything. Now we also have chat widget, which basically means that you can create a chat widget to directly take the contact details from the website. Somebody can come in, click on that, and submit their details. You also have media option. You can upload medias here, so that's also a possibility, which is crazy good. And then you also have a URL redirect option in case you want to redirect any kind of URL. So that's also a possibility, right? Apart from that, you also have memberships here, which basically means that you can create courses, training programs, tutorials for your clients, and you can either give it away for free, or you can charge an amount for that, and then you can add it to your funnel, websites, and landing pages in order to sell it like a hotcakes. That's something that you could do here. As you can see here, you can see the dashboard, products, offer, analytics of how many people joined in, how much they have paid, settings of communities there, which is pretty interesting, because a lot of these people communities are actually part of the client portal. So in case you want to build a community like school, you can do that actually inside GoHighLevel. They've recently also launched their white label, gray labeled app, basically called as Collab. So I'm pretty interested about what GoHighLevel is doing about this. In case you are too, then make sure you go ahead and learn about it. They also have certificates. So let's say you want to create certificates for anybody who completes the program and then gets certified directly by you. In that case, you also can do it. Apart from that, we also have reputation management. So let's say you want to get and collect reviews, 4-star, 5-star reviews of your clients. You can definitely do that from here itself. Apart from that, you also can request reviews to your existing clients and databases. So that something is also possible. You also have a reporting section inside GoHighLevel where you actually can see all the data and everything, right? It's going to give you all the impressions from Google ads, from Facebook ads, clicks, conversions, client spends. All of that is going to get available here, which is crazy good. Apart from that, you also have the app marketplace in case you want to buy something, but that is also available. So, for example, this is a print on demand integration that was currently available, which was a recent release. You can see here it's available here. Amazing. I like it. People are doing great things up from it. You also have the mobile app for it, so you can customize the mobile app further for every single business. So let's say you want to hire a business and they need a mobile app, they can have it personally just for themselves, which is again available for both Apple and Android. So this is crazy again. You can also go to settings here and then you can be able to learn more about settings. Of course, you have the similar settings that you had inside the agency level. So you'll have business profile, you have your own profile, you have your company billing. So here, all of your sub accounts will be able to see the company billing options. You can have your my staff, you can have your opportunity and pipelines being created here, which is pretty interesting here. Then you can also create more calendars and customize them further. So that option is also available here. So I want to quickly showcase you by creating a calendar so that you will be able to see how exactly to do it. You can also create some groups. So let's say you're going to create a bunch of calendars for, let's say, home cleaners or home cleaning services, or you want to create calendars for, let's say, based on different pricing. You can also do that and create a group around it, right? But I'm going to quickly show you a test calendar which I'm going to create. So let's say it's going to be, so now you have different kinds of calendars here, which is crazy, right? So you have service calendars for those people who are in the service industry. This is more tailored towards them, so they can actually get a lot of these details from this calendars. You have the simple calendars, which is pretty old school, but I won't recommend that. But you can also actually go for the round robin, which is pretty advanced in nature, and that it actually gives you a lot of options. You can also have class bookings where you want to have a contact can schedule a meeting with a single person in your team. Let's say you have multiple team members and then you only want them to schedule it with one person. That can be done here. Apart from that, you can also do collective booking. So let's say you are running a class and you want 10 different people to book the same slot, same time, same availability. In that case, you can do it. I'll go with round robin because it's very flexible. So that's what we normally use. So I'm going to create this as my YouTube channel demo session, right? I can add a description if I want to, right? An X, Y, and Z, my description. I can set a team member. So let's say select myself. I can add my YT channel, uh, you know, demo one, right? And then you can select the date, duration for hours, minutes, and all of that is also possible. So you can only set from 1 to 12 hours. So let's say I select for an hour or so. So 1 hour is fine. And then I can select the timeline here. The booking availability is actually being directly pulled out from your profile. So make sure your profile has all the details updated, which is your current availability, your timing, your emails, all of that, right? Then you can choose which date and time you want to get started. You also have advanced settings here, which is going to open the plethora of options, which is crazy here. So you can also customize it for the events calendar. For example, currently it is in Google Meet. I can connect to Zoom because my Zoom is connected. Then the user does not connect with the Zoom. User has no Zoom connected, so I'm just going to connect it with my Google Meet for the time being, right? And the meeting custom. So sorry, I'm just going to connect it with the Google Meet. That's a possibility. You can go to availability and then you can choose what is the available timing and you can modify that and fix that accordingly. You can also choose the time interval, meeting duration, meeting schedule notice, date range, maximum bookings per day, maximum bookings per slot per user, pre-buffer timing and post-buffer timing, which is amazing. You also have, even if you want to add a custom form, you can add a custom form here in itself so that you can collect the details that you always wanted to instead of having the boring old school form. You can also make this add sticky if you want. You can add guest if you want. You can show this default or you can redirect people to this particular page. Any particular page basically, because when you click on this, you can get to add your own URL. You can auto confirm new calendar meeting bookings and also collect payments here. I don't have these options available since I need to add my Stripe account in there. And then you can also have your notification. You can choose who gets a notification, your contacts gets, or you might also not choose to allow it. You can also add Google calendars assigned to the respective team members. So that's also a possibility. You can also go to customization and then customize further. You can add your cover image, you can add your logos, you can add the calendar titles, you can impose custom codes. So let's say you want to modify it further and you want to add your custom code in there, you can also do that from this place as well. You can also enable staff booking in case you have multiple staffs and people want to choose a particular staff from your team. So that's again a possibility. So I'm going to save on that, and that's exactly what a calendar is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to take that URL. I'm going to show it to you how that sounds like. So let me just quickly take out the YouTube demo channel demo URL. So when you click on these three dots, you'll be able to click on this permanent link, and then this is going to show you this calendar which we just did, which is the YouTube channel demo. It's for 60 minutes. That's a possibility again. Apart from that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to proceed forward and show you the conversational AI bot. This is a new feature provided by GoHighLevel where they are introducing AI bot systems and things you do. Actually, I was testing it a few times earlier, right? But I really liked it because I was just training the bot sometimes, and it gave me good options. Good, so I was like pretty interested with it. But I will just suggest you to go ahead and play with it. But they also have a pricing attached to it, which is $0.02 per response for the basic one. Also upgrade to $79 per month in case if you want to. Then you have your email services. This is exactly where you can add your dedicated email domains. So I highly recommend everybody to add your dedicated email domains. When you click on dedicated email domain, so you can add your email domain just from here. I highly recommend it because as per the growing changes and demanding of the world with Google and all of that, with Google and Gmail and all of that, so definitely want to make sure that you add your own domain here. You also have your phone number here, so you can connect a phone number, which you must have to buy a phone number, or for example, and this is basically for your marketing purposes. So when you click on here, it's going to add phone numbers used for SMS and call, and add phone number pool. I'm going to add a phone number here, and this is going to show me all the phone numbers being available at the moment in this particular country. This is pretty amazing. So you definitely kind of want to choose here and then choose the particular country here, and then based on that you can add it to your own business, right? I hope that sounds amazing for you guys, right? So that's pretty much about the phone system. Then you also have custom fields here. So any custom field that gets created or you want to create it will be stored here. I have a lot of custom fields, guys. So as you can see, I have the 10 pages of these custom fields, right? I also have custom values here. So in case you want to create some custom values, they will also be available in here. Then you have your domains, which is a super important part here. You can add multiple domains. I have a bunch of these being added here. So yeah, that's pretty much a lot of what you can do. I'll highly recommend that you get started with GoHighLevel because you get to explore so many things about it that I can't tell you, right? For that, you just have to go to my link, which is bonus.pritam.com, and this link is actually an affiliate link. So when you directly go to this landing page, because a lot of you have been asking me, Pritam, what exactly do you provide in terms of bonuses? I want to sign up with you. You're an expert into this. Please guide me. Please give me the bonuses as to how I can get started. If that's your question as well, go to bonus.pritam.com. Watch this complete video of mine here. Pick out which plans you want to choose from. If you're already an existing customer, then you can choose these plans to go from, and then you will get these bonuses which I have listed here, which is for absolutely free just for you. I hope that this is going to be pretty interesting for you because we have really worked hard to build this site. And by the way, the landing page of this affiliate looks stunning. A lot of people have been saying a lot of good about this. So thank you so much for all the love, support, and appreciation. I really appreciate it. I look forward to becoming my affiliate because then I'm going to give you all the resources, and I will stay in touch in case I can help you in any other thing if you have any kind of queries. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon, guys. Let's stay in touch, and I'll see you on the next video.